Hi guys, welcome back to Income Grinders. This is Eric. So in this video I was just gonna try to make a summary of the week that passed. So it's Sunday today and it's soon time for new working week, but I just wanted to summarize what has happened sort of around my Income Grinders affiliate marketing stuff when it comes to making money online, all those things that this channel mainly is about. So I have a sheet here, and on the top of the list is the monthly report I sort of put out last week, and it's actually turned out to be the highest income ever since I started with affiliate marketing. So that's really nice to see the trend of breaking new records actually this year every month so far. So I'm really happy about that. And the other part I put up on this list is that I've added a new income stream within the affiliate marketing sort of track of making money online, or making and building sort of a passive income machinery, or a freedom machinery, which is more like the correct term, like building various income streams online and offline that sort of generates more freedom in my life, which is the whole purpose of this stuff that I'm doing. So I've added Ezoic on one of my websites, one of my WordPress blogs that is sort of within the pet niche. It's a best of products website, and so far it's averaging around 50 cents per day. And the funniest thing is that I'm more thrilled and happy about making these additional 50 cents a day than actually breaking new money records all the time, getting close to more or less being financially independent and making more money with my side hustle than my sort of day job. I'm just sort of not. It's not for me. It's not actually the amount of money that I make on my side income that is the top priority. It's sort of the interesting thing about creating all these more or less passive or passionate income streams on various ways, that is sort of the main thing for me. So that's it, and I used the reason why I was able to get into this program this time, because I tried a few times before, is due to their Access Now sort of setup they have launched this June, where you can get accepted without having these 10,000 page views per month that previously was the requirement. So now more or less as long as you have a decent website up and running, you can get accepted with Ezoic, which is interesting, especially for me since I have so many websites, and they're rumored to be able to make lots of more money than AdSense, which I have on like 140 websites so far. So what I also have done this week is I published the first article on my case study website, the one about geckos, and it will be nice to see how that turns out. And on a more personal level, I've kept my run streak up and running, so to say. I have the goal of this year, I started January 1st, to run at least 1 mile per day, which is 1.7 kilometers, give or take. So I've actually been keeping that up and running, as well as more or less keeping my YouTube creational streak up and running, so where I try to create some kind of piece of content every day and publish that maybe every second or third day, but so far I actually am creating the material to be able to keep that streak up, and I'm getting close to having done that for 50 days now, which is interesting. When I reach 60 days, I will do another summary and see how that affects the stats on my YouTube account. So that's my week when it comes to my side business stuff. So please leave a comment and summarize your own week, and give me some indication of how your week turned out. And if you have any questions about my own week, please leave a comment below. And I hope you have had a nice weekend and are ready for a new work week. Stay safe and have a great day. This is Eric from Income Grinders signing out. Bye.